Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A98. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, add Google account, tap View Wallet button, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add new payment cards to your account, check quick tips, and manage your passes. Also, you can add new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to Pay Setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.